Good morning. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Revalos. My name is Francis and I like creating videos and sharing my experiences. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. It's about the end of October right now, because normally by now there'd be a ton of snow. So the fact that it's been really warm and I've procrastinated on winterizing my trailer here we are. I need to do that today. I'm going to show you guys how I winterize that trailer. So this is my Wolf Pup 16FQ by Forest River. FQ meaning it's a full-size queen bed, so it's an island bed. And yeah, this has worked for my little family and I for many years. You can tell it's gotten used because the lettering's starting to peel off and stuff, but that's no biggie. So my method of winterizing has worked for us for many years. I haven't had any problems. I never have anything freezing up or anything like that. In the last few years, nothing much has changed on this trailer except the fact that we did get this generator tray, and I did install a rooftop vent a few weeks ago. So this summer we had a really bad hailstorm and it shattered my roof vent here for the bathroom. So I installed this cover over it, and yeah, we had another hailstorm and it fared fairly well. So at least this is sealed now and I don't have to worry about it leaking or anything like that. But yeah, I'm gonna quickly get started and let's get going. Alright, so I start by greasing my wheel bearings, something I didn't show here, and then I cover my wheels to protect them from the harsh winter winds. So this year we haven't used this trailer much as we'd like, but we did go on a couple trips. At the end of our trips, we always like to make sure we button down and make sure everything is prepped as if it were the last trip. So a lot of what I'm going to be doing here today has already been done, and thank you for Randy for that tip because it's helped out a lot this last year. So this generator cover used to be black, but because it's been exposed to the sun so much, it's been sun faded, it's like gray. But it still works, it serves its purpose. I'm gonna have to change the oil in this generator here in the spring. So the trailer's already been dumped. I don't have to worry about dumping the black water or the gray water tank, so I'm gonna leave the cap open because it likes to leak through the winter, so it just keeps it from freezing up or catching any liquids inside. So our fresh water tank, it's already been drained and I closed it off already. Alright, so inside the trailer here, I've already pulled out anything that could explode during the winter, like bottles, liquids, that sort of stuff. And now I'm just cleaning up in here, and what I'm going to do next is check on the hot water tank. I did that a little bit ago, and I just want to make sure that the antifreeze doesn't end up in the hot water tank. So I close off my hot water and my cold water valves, then I turn on the cycle valve. So now I pull out my anode rod, and basically what this does is it drains the hot water tank. Unfortunately, this is where I made a crucial mistake. Alright, that took me way off guard. So I forgot there's a lot of pressure in there still, so I probably should have taken the anode rod out first and then shut in the valves. That was a lot of liquid, like holy crap. Man, that's embarrassing. But I'm showing you guys what not to do. So anyway, I shut in the hot water tank and take out the anode rod because I don't want water in there and I don't want antifreeze in there. So this is why I'm doing what I'm doing. So there is a method to this madness, I guess. It's like freezing out here and I just got water all over me. I am cold, holy crap. Alright guys, I just came inside. I'm gonna have breakfast first with my family. I'm soaking wet, I need to dry off. I'm gonna change my clothes. And yeah, I'm reviewing the footage and it's hilarious. So we're just gonna have breakfast quick and then we'll get back to the trailer shortly. Filipino breakfast. Thanks, love.
Welcome.
Anyway, guys, we're gonna get back to it. We're gonna finish this trailer. We just had our breakfast, lunch, I guess, brunch, and I changed. And yeah, after the water surprise, I'm ready to get back at it. Alright guys, so this is my freshwater connection. I'm gonna use this funnel to get the food grade antifreeze into the system so that way we can circulate it through our lines. Alright, so now that we're inside, we're gonna go ahead and cycle the antifreeze through all the lines, and I do that by turning on the pump and then just waiting a few minutes. So right now I'm running the hot water line. It just turned pink. So now that I know that the water line is filled with antifreeze, I'm gonna go ahead and shut that in. And that's the hot water. Cold water has pink too. So we're golden there. So now to do the sink in the bathroom, the toilet, and the shower. All right. What's up, everybody? So now we're gonna do the sink in here, and then the toilet and the shower. Pink, cold water. Pink, hot water. Perfect. And we got pink in the line. Perfect. And I put a little bit of extra fluid in the black tank so that way poops don't freeze if there's anything left in there. Alright, now the shower. Pink in the cold. Pink in the cold. Let's get the hot going. There's pink in the hot. And now I want to check the shower head too and make sure there's pink running through there. Alright. Alright, now that I've got pink running through all my lines, I'm going to go ahead and shut off my water pump. And I'm just going to open up all the taps. So basically I'll leave them open for the winter so that way liquid can move if it decides to freeze and expand. So everything is cracked now. And that's it for the water lines. So the water lines are winterized now for the winter. I like keeping the liquid in the line and like completely like full just because I don't want to have to reprime it in the spring. It takes a little bit of effort, so this just saves me a lot of time in the spring. So we're in the home stretch and the final thing I need to do is pull this battery out, store it inside for the winter, and then I also want to make sure that my lines are protected so nothing gets into the propane line and the electrical lines. So it's starting to rain, you guys. I'm glad I started this when I did. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The one thing that I forgot to mention was that I do grease the wheel bearings as well before I shut her in. but I already did this, I think it was like a couple of weeks ago, so I'm not gonna show that to you guys on the video. But yeah, again, that's pretty much it. And if you guys like what you saw, if it helped you at all, leave a comment in the comment section. If you like that video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, then that bell icon for more notifications from the Revalos. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for coming with me today and helping me winterize my trailer. And yeah, even with the little water surprise, we're all good. I'm set for the winter, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.